I'm Luke with Broadway Home Medical, and today I'm going to be showing you guys our Golden Ally. So this is a lightweight foldable power chair that we have. So if you do receive it in a box, you'll open the box up. Once you've opened the box, you will see a charger, your owner's manual, and some tools. Then, after that, you'll take out the styrofoam and the plastic, which it decided to do on its own. Then after that, you simply just lift the chair up and out of the box. Then we'll throw our trash back into the box. And as I'm doing that, if you look up at our screen, you'll see the power chair's specifications. So the weight, the speed, the height, the width, all the dimensions that you think you would need. Then after that, simply just unfolding the power chair. In order to do so, there's this black bar in the back and your handlebar right here. You'll simply push the bar in and lift the chair up and out. On the back of the chair, you'll see two levers. This will engage or disengage your brakes on your motor. If they're down, it'll put it in neutral. To engage the drive, you'll just simply lift up the levers and the power chair is ready to be operated. Then if you come to your joystick, you'll simply lift the sticker up and off so you can see your display. Then you'll turn on your power by holding it down the power button. Once it turns on, in order to unlock the joystick, you'll simply hit the power button once more to unlock it. If you need to lock the joystick, you'll hit the power button once to lock the manual or the power wheelchair. Then, right here to the left of the power button, you have your speed adjustment, so you can go up to 5 gears. And this will give you about 4.4 miles per hour. Then if you need to lower the speed, you can simply just lower the speed with the down direction button. Your FN button is your mode button. You can actually switch it from normal use to novice mode. And this allows you to have up to 2 gears for people who are just getting the ropes of the power chair. You'll also have your bell icon to let people know that you're coming down the way. Sounds like you got a mini car, which this thing feels like it is. You'll also have an SOS button. This is just in case if you have any issues with the chair, just let somebody know that what's going on. You simply hold the SOS button down for 3 seconds to let somebody know you're having an issue. To turn it off, you'll simply turn it off by holding the button down for 3 more seconds. And it'll turn back off. Then with that, I'll show you guys how to fold down the power mobility. So back here, you'll have your lever. You'll simply just push it in. Take that handle that you used to open the chair to close the chair. That way, if you need to store in your car or any sense of transportation, makes it a little bit easier. Then I'll show you guys two more cool functions. Over here on the joystick side, on the bottom of the armrest, excuse me, you'll have your charging port. This is what you'll charge it at the end of the day once you're done operating the power mobility. And then we also have on our left side a cool new feature that Golden has incorporated into this power chair. So we will remove the sticker. And this actually reveals a light. So it is touch. So you just go underneath to activate the function. Also on the left hand side, there is a battery port that you can charge your USB accessibles such as your phone, etc. But there is a USB port and a C plug port. So you have two different options to actually charge your accessories. Excuse me, once again, talking's hard. After that, we also have a tote bag. This can handle up to 5 kilograms of weight. So if you have your charger or your books or anything, groceries, anything like that, like I said before, this will save up to about 5 kilograms. And there's actually another cool feature. This thing just comes with a bunch of surprises. So if we go to the back of the chair, you'll actually have another storage compartment back here. And this is one of the cooler functions to this new power chair. So you can simply unfold it, and you have little folder bins where you can put a laptop, phone, accessories, whatever you need, water bottles. It has all the storage capacity that you need. And with that said, it's time to run off into the sunset. If you guys ever need anything from Broadway Home Medical, give us a call at 316-264-8600 or our west location at 316-719-2223. Please like and subscribe to our channel so that way we can grow with you. Any information you need, let us know. I hope you have a good day.